Hey, what's going on, guys? Today, after work, I stopped by Home Depot and Harbor Freight, of course. I got a gift card for Home Depot, so I just wanted to use that, and I picked up a few things. So, yeah, let me show you what I got. So, from Home Depot, I had a gift card for my birthday, so I just wanted to use that. I just picked up a quarter-inch ratcheting wrench, and it's a Husky. Definitely not too bad. Decent quality. Yeah, I don't have this size, so I just figured I'd pick this up. This was $5.77. Not too bad. Next up, I just picked up a 7-piece stubby wrench set. It has the 3/8, 7/16, half-inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and 3/4. I wanted to pick these up because compared to the ratcheting ones I have, these are definitely a lot thinner. It's got a thinner wall on them, so just those hard to reach places. Yeah, let me compare it to another one. It's like the ratcheting mechanism is just so thick compared to this. So I just like that thinness, and just in case you get that tight spot, But these are definitely decent quality. These are Husky as well. And I picked those up for $14.97. So not bad. $15 for that. And next up, I just went and pulled the trigger on these. The 5-piece reversible ratcheting. It's got the 3/8, 7/16, half-inch, 9/16, and a 5/8. These were $29.97. So it's not the best quality for $30, but definitely feels a little bit cheaper than I like, but like I said, for $30. Finish is nice. The switch mechanism seems a little janky, but we'll see how they hold up. Yeah, I was looking at the ratcheting reversibles from Icon at Harbor Freight. Those were really nice. Definitely seem a lot better quality than these. But those were like $120 for the 7-piece, and they want like $150 for the 10-piece or something like that. So I just picked these up. Why not? Yeah. Not too bad. I don't know if I'll ever pick up the metrics, but if I got the extra cash for Icon, or if I find something better on Amazon or something. But I just like to have things in hand. Ordering stuff online, and not too big on. When I spend my money, I want it in my hand. So from Harbor Freight, I did pick up the SAE and metric stubbies. You can't buy them separately. Like I would have just gotten just the metrics, but these were $11.99 for SAE and metric, and I used the 20% off coupon, which brought them down to $9.59. So for under $10, you definitely can't beat that. You know why not? They definitely seem decent quality too. Yeah, it's basic stubby wrench, so can't ask for too much. But yeah, the precision on them seems decent, and the finish is nice as well. There's a smaller size. Yeah, not too bad. And obviously, walk out with a free item, my tarp. And last but not least, I picked up the 1/4 inch drive icon. This was $27.99. But I don't know if you guys know, there is a 10% coupon that you can use on these. I use it on Android. There's an app that is, there's no exclusion for that 10% off. You can use it on anything. So it took off like $3 off of this. So yeah, definitely check that out and get you a little discount on the icons, because I know they also have a 20% off coupon for just the toolboxes and no hand tools, but that 10% off will work. And I'm sure you've seen other YouTube videos with the cleaning blanket. Definitely boxed really nice. I like it. I don't know how many people are actually going to throw that in their toolbox, but it's going to go in just like this. But for the size of it, it definitely feels heavy, and it's got some weight to it, you know. Obviously 90 tooth. I feel like it's not oiled inside, so I'll probably open this up and throw a little bit of grease in there. Yeah, switch mechanism feels good too. See how good it holds a socket. Yeah, definitely not bad. I like it. I like it a lot. Sweet. That was definitely worth it. Figured try that brand out. Might as well start with a cheap one. And compared to my other 1/4 inches, definitely like how it's a lot stubbier. You know, get that real tight spot. And I also picked up another socket rail. I put my impact swivels on it, so now I got 3 rails here. Definitely looks good. Nicey nice. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, I think my next video I will be doing a full walk around and all that of the GTX. I'm just waiting for some better weather, take it somewhere, and just do a good, decent video on it. I'll upload that. So yeah, look forward to that, and until next time, later.